Daniel, that was the final face-off between you and Jon Jones. You then followed him with your eyes until he exited the arena floor. What really are you feeling right now?
He's still playing. I'm not playing anymore. This is my life. You know, he won the first fight, okay, but he's still playing, blowing kisses, putting on a show. All the time for that stuff is done. It's time to fight. I'm ready to go.
Are you taking that as a bit of disrespect?
I don't know what he's doing, but I don't care. You know, I'm here to fight, man. I've been in here this whole time defending this title, representing this organization, and fighting for me and my family. That's what I'm going to continue to do. Tomorrow, I will beat Jon Jones. Tomorrow, I will beat Jon Jones.
How do you feel like you will beat him?
Whatever way I want. I've trained hard. I've worked so hard for this. I've been preparing for this. And the moment I left that octagon on January 3rd, 2015, I'm not playing around anymore. It's time to fight. All the fun and games, the blowing the kisses and playing around is done. It's time to fight. He's got his fat brother in the stands talking about I'm gonna cry. He can sit his fat ass down because I'll smack the out of him too.
You mentioned that you have waited so long for this fight. You've got a lot of fight experience in between that last fight with Jon Jones and where you are today. How much does that play a factor?
I'm a much better fighter today than I was. People haven't even seen all that I'm capable of inside the octagon. Tomorrow I put it all on display.
For you, what's the biggest motivator in this fight? Is it because you have the feud with him? Is it you want revenge, or is it defending your belt?
All of it, all of the above. But the reality is, in competition, he won the first time. And that's what I'm focused on. All this feud and all this other stuff, yeah, it's great for the build, but the build is done. Now it's time for us to fight, and competitively, I need to get this fight back.
Supremely confident in your skills. How do you believe you get it done?
I dominate him. I literally go out there and I dominate him this time. If you don't believe, then just wait till tomorrow. You'll see.
We are so looking forward to this fight. Daniel, thank you for spending a few minutes with us. We appreciate it. Good luck.
Thank you, Megan.
Thank you.